Okay, you guys, this is amazing.
Play along to learn about food allergies. You will be
That's
able to
Coral.
identify
Safe foods to eat,
and
ultimately learn how to read food labels. That's exactly what we're doing, you guys. We created an educational gaming app. There's nothing else out there like it. Nothing.
And it's really to educate and teach you what's safe, what's not safe, how
Brand
to read food
recognition.
labels, brand recognition,
Yeah.
all in a fun way. This is great for your kids,
Yeah.
great for parents, great for teachers, and it's really a fun way to learn.
Yeah, it is. Let's show them just real quick. We'll just
So real quick, this is the fridge. This is the first level.
Go
We
closer.
also have
Go
a
closer.
pantry. So you're gonna pick out the safe items, and I turn the volume off. Let's turn it back on so you can hear. It's gonna tell you if it's safe or unsafe. And then you're gonna go to the pantry. You have to get 100%
gluten is
though.
a protein mainly found
Tells
in
you what
wheat,
gluten is.
barley.
Then you're gonna go to the matching
Safe
game.
items to the table and the what's for breakfast.
You're learning things that you can have on a daily basis for breakfast, lunch, and
Yes.
dinner. And you're gonna have a fun matching game where you're gonna find a safe match. So we found a safe match. Does it go to the table or does it go to the trash? This one, bananas, gluten-free, goes to the table. Coral, tell them about level 3.
Level 3 is really exciting. Is it's
D with his allergy.
Logan
And
D,
scrambled
that's her
butter is an
son.
ingredient that he needs to stay away from to be healthy.
So here we go. We have a letter bank, and you have to go ahead and put the letters in where the word would be. Now, in looking at this, what do you think the word is? I think it's bulgur. You think it's bulgur? Probably. So we're gonna go ahead and take the B and put it up. Then you get to put Logan D back together again. So it's just such a fun, interactive way. But guess what? These words are kind of tricky. They get harder. They get harder. So it's even good for adults as we're trying to learn like what the heck we can even eat. And then we go to level 4, which is ultimately what we're doing, is reading labels. So this is just such a fun and interactive way. And guess what? It's totally free right now.
you
So
guys.
download it today and play it. Play it with your kids. Tell your neighbors. Tell your friends. It's such a great tool. And give us a good review. You can find it on the AppStore or GooglPlay.
And also go to our website, allergyreality.com. We have lots of great resources, recipes.
Yes.
We have a shop where you can get really cool stuff and help you along your allergy journey. We're here for you. We understand that it can be challenging, but through the app and through all of the other resources, you are going to be successful. So
Yes.
we'll see you later.
Yes. Let's hear the last song.
Ooh, this is my favorite.
And the mommy are part of the soybean family. Even though the word not sounds funny, if you're allergic, don't put it in your tummy.